Alright, so I'm going to be unboxing Hot Shot Ultra Liquid Roach Bait. Now, this guarantees that it kills in hours, and it kills roaches and the eggs that they carry. It kills both large and small roaches, so they say. Kills roaches where they breed. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and open this up. Comes in a nice looking package. Alright, here. Now, let's see how to get this open right here. So it comes in a nice looking package, very sleek looking. Directions are on the back right here. It says for directions, pull tab on the side of the bait station to break seal on the vial. So if you look right here, this is the seal that they're talking about. Now there's a lot of instructions on here, a lot of things to be have caution about. Some warnings on here because you don't want to get sick with this stuff. You don't want this stuff to contaminate anything that you don't want contaminated. So it says how you pull the seal and place bait stations where roaches have been seen, or out of the way places near walls, cabinets, or under sinks, refrigerators, and in closets. Place up to 5 bait station in a kitchen and 1 in the bathroom. Heavily infested areas may require additional baits. Examine the bait station once a month to verify bait is still present in the station. Replace baits stations every 3 months or sooner if empty bait stations are found. So if you look at the bait station, there is liquid in here, and that is the bait that the roaches, they crawl up in here and then they get. All right, so I'm just going to simply go in right here, and I'm going to go ahead and pull this like it says. It says pull this, and it actually activates the... All right, so pull that. I actually took that off. A little tough, but got that. Pull that off, and it activates the station. All right, got a little bit on my hand. That's kind of disgusting, but I'm going to go wash my hands. I recommend using a pair of gloves in order to use this stuff. So I have some, and I'm just going to go ahead and place it in the area where they're supposed to be running around. All right, so that's the Hot Shot Ultra Liquid Roach Bait. I hope that was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.